even as it won't be as rugged as its patrol cousin bought overseas. Our 2018 Nissan Armada tester makes up for it in creature comforts. Leather-based upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, heated steerage wheel and a whole suite of driving force assists. This platinum trim Armada combines the self-belief of a Titan with much of the consolation of an Infiniti QX80. Further to the standard system, our 4-wheel power tester consists of the second or one-row captain's chair package, $450, and carpeted ground and load mats, $310. In all, it jewelry up at $63,545, together with vacation spot costs. Senior Editor, Green, John Beltz Snyder. The Armada isn't always without a doubt my cup of tea, and that I wasn't going to force it this week. On the journey into the office on Monday, although the snow became coming down difficult, and automobiles had been inside the ditch, on wreckers, a few bright side down. Having flashbacks of getting in shortcut wherein my driveway meets my crappily plowed road in a Cadillac ATS the week before, I signed up for the Nissan Armada in place of the rear-force Cadillac CT6 Plug-In Hybrid for my power domestic. My shuttle changed into a breeze. Speaking of the suspension, the Armada's journey is quite correct. It absorbs bumps thoroughly, and it's impressively quiet. Even the tires did not transmit an awful lot sound over imperfections. You may nonetheless listen to the V8 beneath the hood, although, and it is a candy-sounding factor. However, it is able to likely use a chunk more torque, or less weight to lug around. It tended to rev pretty high when brisk acceleration became requested, and the pace at lower back wasn't surely that brisk. The transmission is slow to shift, however as a minimum it's clean. The interior also shared a few conventional SUV quirks. The tall greenhouse and quick sprint sincerely help with visibility, and Nissan has protected a sufficient amount of wooden and gentle leather. However, the ergonomics are a chunk awkward. It is a chunk of a stretch to the controls at the center stack, especially the contact screen, and any knobs closer to the passenger. Also, for some purpose, the climate controls are manner at the bottom, even underneath the CD player controls. That is inconvenient, specifically when sitting so high up. I cannot speak to the Armada's off-street talents, however as a minimum on Avenue, it's a stable, unexceptional force that truly is certain to be appreciated through SUV diehards. But for common customers, a greater current, unibody, possibly car-based totally crossover may additionally virtually provide a better normal enjoy.